In today's video, I will walk you through how to create custom labels in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Salesforce and move to the main dashboard where your account tools and settings are available. Inside the Salesforce platform, look toward the top right area of the screen and locate the Quick Settings option. Once you find it, select Quick Settings and continue by choosing Open Advanced Setup. This will take you into the Salesforce setup area where different platform configuration options can be managed. After the setup page finishes loading, move to the left side menu where the Platform Tools section is displayed. Continue scrolling through the available options until you find the section labeled User Interface. When the User Interface section becomes visible, select the Expand option so the additional settings underneath it appear on the screen. Once the expanded menu opens, continue scrolling until you locate the option called Rename Tabs and Labels. Select Rename Tabs and Labels to continue into the area where Salesforce allows label names and tab names to be modified inside the platform. After the page loads, Salesforce will display a list of available tabs and labels that can be customized. Take a moment to review the list shown on the screen and locate the label you want to change. In this example, the selected label is Cards. When you find the label you want to edit, continue by selecting the Edit option beside it. Salesforce will then open the editing section where you can update the label names for the selected language configuration connected to your account. Inside the Edit page, move to the field where the singular label name can be entered. Continue by typing the updated label you want Salesforce to display. In this example, the singular label is entered as Cart1. After entering the singular label, move to the Plural label field and enter the plural version of the same label. In this example, the plural label is entered as Carts1. Once both label fields have been completed, review the updated names shown on the page to confirm everything looks correct. After that, move down and select Save. Salesforce will now process the updated label configuration and apply the renamed labels inside the selected language settings. If the page takes a few moments to reload, wait until Salesforce finishes updating the configuration. After the save process is completed, the updated custom labels will remain active inside Salesforce. The renamed labels will now appear throughout the platform based on the changes you applied during the setup process. That is the full process for creating custom labels in Salesforce. Thank you for watching.